a.m. I shot out of bed with a loud boom, and then 4 or 5 booms after that. And I'm like, what in the world is going on? I'm like, what was that? I sat up, looked around, and a few minutes later, it happened again.
Mahalo everybody, that means thank you. Aloha everybody, that means hello. Okay, you must think, oh, you just got back from Disney. Well, we're going back again. We're at Polynesian and we're gonna stay here for just 2 nights, 3 days, all that. Just because Dad and Kelly have a little tiny Boy Scout trip again. But that means girls weekend. Let's go. At least this time they're not doing sea bass. I love sea bass. Let's go.
Got our leis on, feeling very tropical, but Hunter and I both said we miss Alani. Now that we're back at Disney's Polynesian, kind of miss Alani. Action!
We each get our own bed.
Yes. Nice! Guys, we're on the 2nd floor. It just dawned on me. Hunter, do you know why we don't have a balcony? Look at this, guys.
Why?
Can you see this?
Why?
Polynesian superstitions. Because of the superstitions, they actually don't, I don't know if you guys can see that. Because of the Polynesian superstitions, on the 2nd floor, there's actually no balcony.
What does that mean?
So here, it's the same thing. I don't know. There's just a superstition with the Polynesian belief. And so on the 2nd floor, there's no balconies anywhere on property, which is
How do I open
crazy.
this?
I don't think it opens. Does it open?
does.
Did you get it?
I don't know how.
Oh, look up above. The lock's up there.
Oh, okay.
You see it? We've never been in this building before. This is a kind of cool view. We get to see Hunter behind the screen.
No.
Boop.
Darn
But
it.
this is kind of cool view. You can see the parking lot and the monorail.
Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams.
Because normally I would request a room that's on the ground floor because it's so fun just to sit on the patio and just let, Hunter just do cartwheels in the grass, or on the 3rd floor where there's a balcony. But this time we just kind of got to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort a little bit late, so I was kind of like, whatever you give me. So I've never actually been on the 2nd floor before because I know not to request it, but this is so cool. This is really cool that we're on the 2nd floor. So something I wanted to share with you guys. Last week, Kelly and I were at Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort, and we got to test out the My Disney experience and our phone to unlock our room. That was so cool just to use your, your phone and just hold it right up and magically your door opened. That was really cool. Well, come to find out when we got here at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, they are actually testing that. Right now it's only at Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort. It is coming to all the Disney resorts, but you know how Disney does it, kind of like in phases. So watch for that, that's coming soon. But just so you guys know, right now it's only at Wilderness Lodge. Unfortunately, we didn't get to use it here at Disney's Polynesian, right? She's like, what are you talking about? You smell good. I smell the H2O. Oh, that stuff smells so good. That H2O lotion, smell-o-vision.
I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap right here. Do you know what that means?
We had to pull out the dinosaur costume this morning.
Wait. Wait.
Awesome. Your head's caught.
Breakfast time. I got blueberry pancakes with bacon and sausage. Well, then I got this as well. So let's get the syrup. Oh, it's like a commercial.
I got macadamia nut pineapple pancakes. Did you hear that I have spam? That you could order spam? Typical Hawaiian fashion. You can order spam, or Polynesian fashion. You can order spam to go with your breakfast.
Would you like some coffee?
I would, thank you.
It looks tiny enough to fit through. Do you think it's...
Yeah, I'm sure I can fit through. It was gonna rain, but the skies cleared up.
Dark clouds though.
Dark clouds, a little bit, but definitely sunny right now. So we're gonna hit the pool while the sun is out and while it's beautiful. Are you gonna do the water slide?
Yes.
I'm
scared it's gonna be cold.
It may be a little chilly.
Well, it's been we were like in our room, Mom opened the door.
Yeah.
And we were like sweating. I would like on my computer and stuff, and I would like press a key. it would like sweat all over. I'm like, how did this happen?
It's slowly getting warm in sunny Florida. Spring is here and summer will be here shortly. So let's hit the pool. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we'll
You jump in. Let's go.
So we decided to get a little treat. One of the cool things about Disney's Polynesian Village Resort is they have this little treat right here on property. You can get Dole Whips. So I got the fountain, what is it, pineapple float Dole Whip? And what did you get?
Same exact thing.
You got a pineapple float Dole Whip too, huh? But I think you had more ice cream than I did. So good. Hunt here at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. It's called the Poly Tiki's Find and Seeky. That is like such a cute little name. So Hunter and I, well, I'm eating my hair. Hunter and I are wandering around trying to find all the tikis on the scavenger hunt. So it's kind of
Wait, restart that.
Today is checkout day here at the resort. So Hunter and I had a wonderful time, but a little crazy morning this morning. So they had a Star Wars run this morning, 5 a.m. I shot out of bed with a loud boom, and then 4 or 5 booms after that. And I'm like, what in the world is going on? I'm like, what was that? I sat up, looked around, and a few minutes later, it happened again. Dawned on me that there was fireworks. That for this Star Wars run, they had fireworks going off every time a group of runners passed the entrance. This started at 5 a.m., ran all the way until 6:30 a.m. Literally every 2 minutes, there was a loud boom, followed by like 5 or 6 extra booms from the fireworks. So needless to say, I have bags under my eyes this morning super, super tired this morning because I did not get good sleep. I woke up super, super early after being up late, seeing the fireworks and all the stuff at the resort. So crazy morning. I think we are ready to go. We've had a fantastic time here with girls trip, just relaxing and enjoying just, Hunter, whatever and Hunter and I want to do, just our company together. So it's been an amazing mommy-daughter trip. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Keep on dreaming. Bye.
Love you all. Keep on dreaming.